Hi everybody, it's Lyn, and this is LynzCraftz Designz. I first of all want to apologize for being gone for so long. We had an immediate death in the family, and it was really hard on us. So, besides the pandemic being hard on everybody, I have been trying to do a little work with resin. Two-part resin, epoxy resin, the fast curing resin, all types. So the first thing I've done is, this is an update to the shop, and these are fridge magnets. Whatever type of magnet you want them to be, actually. So I bought these molds. Now I bought this one, it's probably been three or 4 years ago, off of Amazon, and then I bought these other two just recently. Wow, boy, these are way chunkier than this one. But anyway, to show you some of the differences you can achieve. Okay, this one is obviously a two-part resin. It's just a two-part resin with a colored glitter. I didn't use any color in the glitter. And then these are some acrylic paint pens with the little glass eyes. So there's that one. Like I said, they're just fridge magnets. This one, well, let me stick with the two-part resin ones first. This one also is a two-part resin. Once again, no colorant, just some really fine baby blue, not really fine, but really light baby blue glitter with this crushed unicorn art crushed crystals. And I'm telling you, man, I've got Pearl X in the macro pearl, and this is sparkly. So that's what's in there. A very little bit of that with a very little bit of the light blue glitter, but it's a baby blue. And then silver paint pens, and of course the glass eyes once again. Okay, those are the two-part. Now I'm gonna show you the ones that I've done with the fast set resin. This one was from one of the newer molds, and just the first time trying it out, I love these. These eyes are like watermelon. They're green around the outside, and then with the red in the middle. So pretty. Again, just fridge magnets. And then this one is the other one that I got. It's a new mold. This third eye right here is actually not an eye, but it's just it's a graduated colored gemstone, I guess you'd say. Alright, this one is that first one again. This time I added just a little bit of red resin dye, along with a little bit of this white resin dye, which is really good stuff right here. And this one, I got a suggestion from a friend to try different colored eyes. And this one has it has a bit of the white Finnabar wax, just to highlight a tiny bit. Okay, then I've got a couple that just are gray versions. This one wound up being gray with a little bit of backing of a black glitter. Orange eyes and red eyes. Now this one actually has a tiny bit of the silver wax besides the gold and silver acrylic paint pens. Okay, then last but not least is this one. This one was actually the first one I did. Purple eyes. It really turned out pretty.